Okay, the drink we're about to make is called Sweet Surrender. First thing we'll do is take a champagne flute and an orange slice, and if you just rub it on the rim, and take your sugar, and you'll have a nice rim of sugar on your glass. Okay, now set that aside. We're going to come back to that later. Put some ice in a glass and measure out a ½ ounce of peach brandy. And follow that up with some orange juice. 1 ounce of orange juice. Okay, give that a shake. And you're going to strain it into the champagne glass. The last thing you're going to do is just top it off with some good old champagne. Or sparkling wine. Whatever you have. And isn't that lovely? That's all there is to it. Sweet surrender. Bottoms up.